To fix the SOS Only issue on an iPhone, where the signal strength status is not displayed, it's essential to understand that this indicates the phone is unable to connect to the wireless carrier. This could be due to the absence of a SIM card, a malfunctioning SIM card, or a carrier outage. Before proceeding, it's recommended to check the carrier's system status to rule out any outages. If a SIM card or eSIM is present, several steps can be taken to resolve the issue, including resetting network settings. First, try restarting the iPhone, as this can often resolve the problem. If that doesn't work, open the iPhone's settings and select General. Check for any available carrier settings updates by going to About. If an update is available, install it and then reboot the phone. If no update is available, go back to General and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Note that this will delete any saved Wi-Fi networks not backed up to iCloud, so proceed with caution. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's best to contact the wireless carrier's support for further assistance.